So I'm just painting while people are popping on, because believe it or not, this is just going to be like a little shelf sitter, y'all. But I'm going to be using our new St. Patty's pack. So, y'all, I'm going to use this. This is just from the Dollar Tree. It's just kind of a wooden little box. We are going to get that all jazzed up. And then we're going to be using one of these. This came from Hobby Lobby. And look, how sweet are these little rabbits. I have not done a rabbit, I guess, creation yet. But look how sweet. And let me paint this white. Like I said, we'll just go with this. So I'm just going to put some of this. You can use any kind of chalk paint. I'm using the plaster paint in Ivory Lace from Plaster Paint Company. I love it. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and use my Decorator's varnish. I love this. Pour some on here. You mean over this, like this? Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. I just wanted most of them to show. I didn't want to cut half of their bodies off. All right, I'm gonna start. Let me just start up here. Make sure. Now this does have some wells in it. I hope that's not gonna. No, it'll be all right. I'll just move my paper. Oh. Anyway, this is what it looks like so far. We are going to trim up. We're going to trim it up. And then we're going to seal it. So look, how cute. Let's seal this real quick. All right, so we got that, and then this is what we're going to do. Actually, let's see here. I think I'm going to distress it just a tad, just a tad. I'm going to take some dark wax. Maybe if I go over it, just kind of lightly. Oh, that looks good. Okay. So we're going to add this to the top here, I think. All right, y'all, I'm just going to do a little bead of glue there. We're just going to go with hot glue. You can do Fabri-Tac if you want to. I'm going to do this for time's sake. Alright, y'all, so this is what we have. So we just kind of finished the top off a little bit. Gonna have to use probably a little bit of B7000 in hot glue. Look, y'all, let me show y'all. How cute is that? So we have just a little box. This is, like I said, just going to be a little shelf sitter. I'm going to add some floral foam in here, I think. Okay, so we're just going to add some floral foam to this. I think we're going to add... Oh, how cute. We're going to add one of these. So... So we have our little shamrock there. How cute. So then we're going to add... No, we're just decorating this box right now. I think I'm going to put something here, one of our pieces. We're going to bling it right there. Yeah, I like this piece. It's pretty. Look. How cute is that? Oh, let me see. I think I might like these. That adds something to it. Maybe add something to it. Okay, there's our little box there. So these rivets came from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. All right, so look, we're gonna put this little hat on this dude over here. How cute is he? How cute. All right, I'm gonna add some kind of greenery to this. I don't know what. So these I got from Hobby Lobby, and so I'm just gonna stick this in there. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but so we got a little bit of greenery in there, but y'all look. So these I got from the dollar store, and I just pulled this out, y'all. All I did was pull that out. And then stick some of these in there. That's all I did. Let me see. No, what do y'all think? Does it need a bow up here? All right, so I'm gonna get a thicker jute, but look, that would look good. I'll trim this, but that will look good with the thick jute there. And then I was gonna take one of these and put it in the middle of that jute, or the bow, whatever. But y'all, how fun was this? I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that a whole lot. I had a lot of fun. That's just a cute little idea. It is like a little shelf sitter. So how cute is that? I love it. I will.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.